Hello, good morning. Thank you for coming back again to our channel Bali Travel. At this time, I have a chance to come to the best waterfall located near Lovina, Bali. The name is ALING-ALING Waterfall. So when you visit this area, you will see 5 waterfalls inside. So the first waterfall you will see is ALING Waterfall, and then Kroya Waterfall, and then Kembar Waterfall, Pucuk Waterfall, and Blue Lagoon. So we will inform to you. Nuktuk, ya ikut nanti. So how to come here and about the price ticket, we will inform to you. Please just watch our video how to come to ALING-ALING Waterfall. First of all, I will inform you. So we call Sambangan Secret Garden. This is the price list. If a short trekking, you're gonna pay 135,000 per person. They have a medium trekking. They have a long trekking. Okay, I will show you. And on the left side is the parking lot if you come by the car here. Dan parkir itu gratis nggak? Parkir berapa nih kan? 5.000. Okay, for those of you, if you come here by the car, you need to pay about 5,000 rupiah for the parking lot. So this is the ticket counter. Okay, let's start to come to waterfall. So from the ticket counter, you need to walk about 10 minutes. Okay, we will see how far is the ALING-ALING Waterfall. So we inform to you again, if you buy your ticket, there are two kind of the ticket price. First, if you only entrance the ALING-ALING Waterfall, it means that you come without swimming. You only come and see the waterfall. So along the way to go to the waterfall, on the left side I see beautiful water, beautiful rice terrace here on the left side. If you come to ALING-ALING Waterfall just only to visit, only 20,000. But if you want to swim, you must buy your ticket. The price is about 125,000. So along the way, from the ticket counter, go to the waterfall, you will pass so many rice here, the rice field, and very beautiful rice terrace here. Just keep walking, go down. You can see the rice terrace here. So we inform again to you, when you buy your own ticket, included the swimming, if you want to swim, so the price will be 125,000, and included the guide, so you will get one guide. So when you walk from the ticket to the waterfall, you need about 10 minutes walk, and this is the access from the parking lot to the waterfall. As you know, on the left side and on the right side you will see the native people stay here. And this is the house of the native people who stay here. This is the local people. Okay, we will keep walking. How is the access to go to the waterfall? And then we turn to the right here. If you are thirsty, you can buy your coconut water. The price is 15,000. Banana, and you can buy the noodle here. And if you are hungry, you can buy the fried rice or noodle, soup noodle, and you can buy the beer, Coca-Cola, Sprite, iced tea. Okay, and you can sit down here. Wow, look at that. If you sit down here, it's very, very beautiful. So the waterfall will be down there. Okay, this is very beautiful place for the ALING-ALING waterfall. You can sit down there also and buy your drink, buy your food, enjoy your time. Okay, we keep walk to go to the ALING-ALING waterfall. So along the way you go to the waterfall, you will see big garden here, and a little bit humid. For those of you, if you don't like hot, don't forget to bring with you the umbrella or hat and sunscreen lotion for the beautiful lady. Okay, in here also you can buy your pizza, juice. There's a warung here on the right side. You can stop here for a beer. Don't worry if you are hungry, if you are thirsty. You can buy your drink and food here. They have a toilet here, and just to remember, all the toilet in Bali, wherever you go, you have to pay from 2,000 or 5,000, depend. Depend on the location. So this is the gazebo. You can take a rest. Okay, now we start to walk down. A little bit walk down. Yeah, I can hear from here, from here. I can hear from here the sound of the waterfall. All the way go down, and I can feel the temperature here is a little bit cold. No more hot because so many big trees surrounded. But don't worry, in here is a safe. I mean, no snake, no lion, no monkeys, no snake, and no wild animal here. Mosquito? I don't see so many mosquitoes here. It's a free. It's a safe. Okay, don't worry if you come to ALING-ALING waterfall. It's a nice here. So I recommend to you when you come here, come in the morning, at least before 12 o'clock. Because I worry the season is rain. It's a rainy season. But in the morning is very good time to come here. This is the jungle. And there is the water. We go step down again. There is a toilet on the left side here. If you want to go to the toilet. Okay, from here I can see the waterfall. It's very beautiful. I recommend to you, all of you, to come here and see the waterfall. The road is, the access to come here is very nice. And what I recommend to you, inform to you again, if you want to swim here, be careful, be aware that don't forget to bring with you first is the towel. Towel is very important. Be aware. I recommend to you, I remembering you, don't forget to bring with you the towel. The towel. You see the waterfall? Yeah. So this access is if you want to go to the top of the waterfall, you can come from here, and over there you across the river and you will be on the top. In the toilet. In the toilet. Toilet. Yeah, he just wash the hands. Alang-alang waterfall. So in here, so we have 5 waterfalls. 5. 1, 2, 3 here, and 2 the other side.
So this one,
it's a kind of Kroya, Kembar, Pucuk, and ALING-ALING. I think a little bit more there. So first we will see the Kroya, Kembar, and Pucuk waterfall. So this is, we have 3 waterfalls down here with the different name. Just be aware, if you come here, be careful your step, otherwise you will fall down. Especially for you, if you bring your children here, please pay attention for your children. And we arrived. So first of all, this is the locker. They have the life jacket here for those of you if you cannot swim. So this is the waterfall also. So each waterfall, they have the name. Kroya waterfall, Pucuk waterfall, and Kembar waterfall. I think on the left side here, because of twin, Kembar means twin. I think this is a twin waterfall. It means Kembar because there are two. And we inform to you, in here you can jump. Okay, you will see the people on the top of the other side. They will jump. So ladies and gentlemen, for all our guests, if you come here, you can do the sliding from the top to go down. And to inform to you, all the package you have to pay here is 125,000 for all activities like sliding from the top, jump from the top. So all the price that you pay here, 125,000 per person, all you got here is like a life jacket. You have the guide here who will help you if you want to jump from the top. So the man on the top is a guide. So he will assist you, he will help you how to jump, how to do the sliding from the top. Like this one. So don't worry about the safety, it's very safe because the people at here, they do for many times. So it's safe, don't worry. If you like the adventure, if you like to do something like extremely something spectacular, you can do it here. So when you jump from the top or do sliding to the top and go down, and you can swim all the way to the left side, because on the left side there is a step from the river. Go to the top. Toilet. Yeah. Man. So you go to the top from the left side all the way to the top, and then you will be on the top of the waterfall, and you do again and again the sliding to go down So you can do it many times here, as long as you still want to do the sliding, you do it many times. So all the package you pay here is all included. Okay, from the Kroya, Kembar and Pucuk waterfall, we will go straight here. We will see and find another waterfall.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Jalan sini Pak. Asik jalan.
forever free.
Napi ada anak terjunnya. Aling-aling berapa? Ada 2. 1. Oke, kasih.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.